What's our course, Captain?
Principe, Quartermaster. We're sailing for the coast of Africa.
Those all but me!
They bring force, but
Bloody lonesome man there, she's gotta burn me, miss!
we're ready, sir.
Unfurl mains, let's move!
Cruise fire!
Captain, won't play shot there! Missed! Are the hooks tight? Fire! Lady, fire! She's winning this race! Fire!
She fires many bullets.
Fire! Fire! Making all A's, sir! Fire! 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 Before you, sir! Fire! They're on the ball line! Get the mainsails into the wind!
Loose mainsails, man your sheets.
Studs out! Let's get moving!
Loose topsails, gallants and royals.
Fire!
Captain, won't play shot there!
Fire!
Ready to fire, sir! There's sir! Good shot could cripple her!
Fire! They're on the ball line to head! Douse the royals and tops! Grounded all arms!
All sails loose and stays tight.
Reef the topsails and gallants!
Should be nearby, Captain.
Douse all sail!
I'm off to find Roberts.
Don't stay long. Crew's getting restless up there.
Overboard!
Captain Kenway. Yet another dire situation, Roberts. We really must stop meeting like this.
Stop tailing me and your wish had come true.
There's no need for this. You know I'm as good as my word.
Our Captain Howell was killed today in a Portuguese ambush. Headstrong fool. I warned him not to go ashore.
It was orchestrated by the Templars Burgess and Cockrum. The same sort that took you to Havana.
Ah. I see now there is no escaping the Templars' attention, is there? I suppose it is time to fight back.
I do like the sound of that.
and I know just how I'll do it. But these men, Burgess and Cockram, they cannot be allowed to leave with word of my escape.
They won't. Count on it.
If you spot any men from my crew, do them some kindness and send them here.
I'll do all I can.
Take only what you can carry, maggots. We're not waiting on no one. Put some muscle in that bustle or we're leaving you behind. Pull up your socks and grab your cocks. This ship is sailing. Oi! Roust yourselves and haul your asses to port. We're weighing anchor. You done us good, Kenway. Proved yourself a true bravo. And for what? His own bloody pride.
You stepped in the path of my prize. Not a thing a man should do.
A cocksure, Cully. Just like Hornigold said.
That Templar scab means nothing to me. None of you do.
And you're worse for it, Kenway. It were the Templars who took us in when all else went to shit. Not our king. Not our country. The Templars.
The Templars is our family. Where's yours?
In honest service, there are thin commons, low wages, yet as gentlemen of fortune, we enjoy plenty and satisfaction, pleasure and ease, liberty and power. So what man with a sensible mind would choose the former life, when the only hazard we pirates run is a sour look from those without strength or splendor? Ha! Now, I have been among you 6 weeks, and in that time, I have adopted your outlook as my own, and with so fierce a conviction that it may frighten you to see your passions reflected from me in so stark a light. But if it's a captain you see in me now, aye then, I'll be your bloody captain. Yeah! For I have dipped my hands in muddied waters, and, withdrawing them, find 'tis better to be a commander than a common man! Oh. you threaten with your resistance?
I'm looking for the observatory. Folks say you're the only man that can find it.
Folks are correct. Despite my distaste for your eagerness, I see in you a touch of untested genius. I'm Bartholomew Roberts.
Edward.
I've no secrets to share with you now. But if you'll lend me your aid, in 2 months' time west of the Leeward Islands, it's there you'll get some answers, I promise you.